Alright guys, so we're about close to 3,000 rounds in this pistol, the Glock 17 Gen 3. I've cleaned it kind of half-ass, but today I'm doing a detailed cleaning from inside the slide and of course the firing pin and the plunger and all that good stuff in there. But as I was cleaning the channel for the firing pin, this is what I got here. I got some shrapnel, I believe, was inside. It was just inside the slide channel here for the firing pin, and of course inside the channel for the plunger as well. Oh, the other side. So if you shoot a lot, you need to clean very well and detail everything out there in the inside the firing pin, because you're gonna get some shrapnel, some residue from the bullets and from the cartridges. All right, guys, just to give you a heads up on it. I had all this inside the firing pin channel inside the bore there, so I'm gonna give it a good detailed, and it's still shot. I love my Glocks, but this is gonna get a detailed cleaning. And yeah, just be careful. If you shoot a lot, you need to take it apart sporadically and just clean the hell out of it. All right, guys, train how you'll fight.